Hello, now I'm start with the string in Python. String is a data type that stores a sequence of characters. String is the data type which is written within double quotes and single quotes, or double three quotes or single three quotes, and it stores a sequence of characters. It can be a word, it can be a sentence, it can be a paragraph, or it can be a single character also. And this is the basic operations of string. Concatenate the two string hello and Python is concat with each other, and the final string is hello Python. Like when I perform the two integer variables addition and two floating variables addition and one integer and one floating variable addition, just like this, the two string variables also can perform addition operation. This is called concatenate. And the length of the string, we can also perform, we can also get the length of a string, and we use the length function to get the length of string variable. And if I want to get a new line in the string, then we use \n. And if I want to a new tab, a space between the string, then we use \t new tab. For example, if I write string equal to I am a girl, or it is a sentence, or also I can write a word apple, and also we can write a character, and also we use the double three quotes. So this is the various types to write string in Python. And also we concatenate two strings. Suppose string 1 equal to hello, and string 2 equal to Python, and string 3 equal to string 1 plus string 2, and string 3, sorry. And if I run this program, then the final string is hello Python is shown in output. So this is the concatenation of string of the two string. And if I want to space in these two uh, string, then I simply do this, and this will give a space in these two strings. So this is called concatenation. And if I want to print the length of string 1, then simply I write print length string 1. And if I want to write the length of string 2 and the length of string 3. Then the string 1 length is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. String 2 length is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the length 3, the string 3 length is 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the space is also a index in string. So this is the string, and if I want to do this, one second, string equal to she is a girl, she is 9 years old. This is two sentences, and this is, sorry, one second, this is all print string. This is two sentences. She is a girl and she is 9 years old, and is short in the same line, but I want to do in the next line, so we use the backslash n. It gives a new line and it will show like this. Okay, and if I want to space in this two sentences, then simply I write backslash t and it will give a tab. So this is the space between these two strings, between these two sentences. In Python, when we create a string, uh, the every character of the string get a index individually, and the index start from the first character of the string, and the index is always start with 0. For example, string equal to hello world. So string 0 is H, string 1 is E, string 2 is L, string 3 is L, string 4 is O, string 5 is underscore, string 6 is W, string 7 is O, string 8 is R, string 9 is L, and string 10 is D. So this is called the indexing. And if I write and if I modify any of the character of the string, it is not possible in Python. It is not allowed in Python. So if I write string 0 equal to B or string 0 equal to P, it is not possible. String 0 is H and it is the prominent. So if I I can also access any of the characters of the string using indexing. If I write string equal to hello underscore world, and if I access one of the character of this string, then I simply write string of 3, and it will give 0, 1, 2, 3, L. Let's see, this is L. And if I write another character, 5, then it will give 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 underscore. So I can also access the characters of the string for using indexing. And if I write string 0 equal to B, it will give a error. It is not possible in Python. So we can access the any of the character in the string, but we cannot modify any of the characters of the string in Python. The string slicing is accessing a specific parts of a string. If I access the specific one part of a string, then we use the string slicing. The syntax of string slicing is the name of the string, then inside the square brackets we write the starting index from which index I want to start the slicing, colon ending index to which index I want to end the slicing. The ending index is not included in slicing. So for example, if I write string equal to technical minds, and if I write string and inside the square brackets I write 1 colon 5 is ECHN, because 1 is the first index is 0, the second index is 1, so 1 is E, 2 is C, 3 is H, 4 is N, and 5 is not included because it is the ending index. So ECHN is the slicing part of the string. And if I want to skip the starting index, then it will automatically start with 0 index. And if I skip the ending index, it will automatically end with length of the string. So if I write string equal to technical minds, and I'm writing that 1 colon in the starting index 1 colon in the ending index 5, then it will give 1, 2, 3, 4 ECHN. Let's see. Sorry, once again. Print ECHN. And if I keep the starting index, then it will automatically start with 0th index, the first index. So it will give 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This thing. And if I keep the ending index, then it will automatically end with length of the string. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and last of the string this is the thing of string slicing. And if I want to do string slicing using negative indexing, it will also possible. Suppose string equal to lychee. The negative indexing always start with the the ending character of the string. So I equal to -1, h equal to -2, c equal to -3, e equal to -4, I equal to -5, l equal to -6. So string -4 inside the square brackets -4 colon -1 is ECH, because -4th index is p and -1 index is not included in string slicing, so it will end with -2th index h. For example, n equal to lychee, and if I perform negative indexing, then simply write print string -4 column -1. So it will give -1, -2, -3, -4, P, C, H, T, C, H. So this is the negative index. String functions. There are several functions which we can use in string. Suppose the string is I am learning Python. Number 1, the function name is ends with. The syntax of this end with function is string name dot ends with, and then inside the parenthesis we can write any substring. This function returns true if the original string ends with this substring, which I write inside the parenthesis, and if the substring is not match with the end of the original string, then it returns false. Number 2, capitalize function, string name dot capitalize and then parenthesis. This function capitalizes the first character of the original string. Number 3, replace function, string name dot replace and then inside the parenthesis the old word or the old character and comma and the new word or new character. This function replaces all occurrences of old to new. We can replace all occurrences of a word in the string, or we can replace all occurrences of a character to the new character. Number 4, find function, string name dot find and then inside the parenthesis we can write any word in the original string. This function returns first index of first occurrence. Suppose if I write string dot find and then inside the parenthesis Python, then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. The find function returns 14 because Python, the first character is P and the index is 14. So it returns 14 index. Number 5, the count function, string name dot count and then inside the parenthesis m. This this function counts the occurrences of substring. So this function is used to count the all occurrences of this substring in the original string. For example, if I write string equal to I am learning Python, and then I write print string dot ends with O when, then it will be written true, because the string is actually ended with this two character when. If I write inside the parenthesis pu, then it will be written false, because the string is not ends with pu. Then string dot capitalize. If I write this, then it will give the, sorry, if I write this, then this function returns the first character is capital in this string. But if I write then print string, then this function is not working, because the capitalized function is run only one time. If I want to change in the original string, then I write string equal to string dot capitalize, and then if I print string, then the original string is changed. So this is the capitalize function, and then the replace function. The replace function print string dot replace. We can suppose I want to change one character in this string A. We can change all the A characters in the string with B. So if I run this code, then the all A character is changed with B. If I want to replace any character in any word in the string, then I write. If I want to change the Python word to Java, then it will return I am learning Java. So this is the replace function. Or if I print string, then it will not working. So the same things actually happen. String equal to then the thing is up. So this is the replace function, and string dot find function print string dot find, and we can write Python. The first occurrence, the first index of the first occurrence is returns. So it will give in 14. And the count function, if I count m, then it will give 1 because m word is only 1 times in the original string. So now we solve this question. We have to print user's name and print its length. So user input name equal to input enter name, and then print its length. And if I run this program, then enter name Rina, and the length of this string is 0 1 2 3 1 2 3 4, length of this string. So we solve this question. We have to find word in a string. Suppose we have a string equal to he is 9 years old, and if I write print, so inside the parenthesis string dot find old, then it will return 15 because 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15, because the first index of the first occurrence is 15, so it will return 15. String conditions, we use conditions in programming to perform several tasks. There are several conditions in our life. Suppose we do not get our license and our voter ID card uh, before the age of 18. Only after 18 we can get the license and the voter ID card. Or in the case of road signal, if the signal is red, then we should stop. If the signal is yellow, then we should look, and if the signal is green, then we should start. The syntax of the conditional statements in Python is if, elif, and else. If the condition if and the inside the parenthesis we keep some condition. If the condition is not satisfied, then the if statement is not executed, and we write colon for the block of statements for writing the block of statements in Python. In other programming languages, we use curly brackets, but in Python, we use colon, and in the next line, we use some space, one or two space prior to the statement 1. If the condition is not satisfied, then we use the elif condition, and if the elif condition is satisfied, then we execute statement 2, and if the elif condition is not satisfied, then we use else statement. Suppose we write age equal to 24, then if I use the if condition, if inside the parenthesis age greater than equal to 18, then I print adult and print and vote, or this is if I run this code, then adult can vote because the age is 24, which is the greater than of 18. So the if condition is satisfied and the block of statements is executed. If I use the else statement, if else statement, then I simply write else not adult and can give cannot vote. If I change this age into 16, then it will return 1 second. Then it will return not adult and cannot give vote because the age is 16, which is the less than 18. And if I give some elif condition, elif age is equal to 20, adult and eligible for license. So if I change this age into 20, then the elif condition is satisfied. Sorry, 1 second. The elif condition and the if condition is same because age is greater than 18 and age equal to 20 is same. So this is the thing. And if I give some another example, light in the road signal example, light equal to Suppose light equal to red, and if I write light equal to red, then print stop. Elif light equal to yellow, and print look Elif light equal to green, then print go else print invalid light. So if I write red as a light, then it will give stop statement. And if I change this light into green, then it will give go. And if I write light equal to pink, then it will give invalid light. So this is the if elif else conditional statement example. So now we solve this question. We have to print if a number is even or odd. Even number is which number is returns 0 as remainder. If this number is divided by 2, this is called the even number. And if the number do not return 0 as remainder divided by 2, then it is called odd number. For example, if n equal to suppose 8, if n modulo 2 equal to 0, means if I divide this number with 2, then it gives remainder 0. If the condition is true, then the block of statement is executed. Print even if the number is not give 0 as remainder, then print odd. So let's see what is the result. The result is even because 8 is divided by 2, then it will give 0 as remainder. So it is an even number. If I give an odd number, then it will give odd. So this is the code of even and odd number. Now we are solving the grading system problem using conditional statement in Python. If the marks is greater than 90, greater than equal to 90, then grade will be A. if the marks is greater than equal to 80 but less than equal to 90, then grade equal to B. And if the marks is greater than equal to 70 but less than 80, then grade C. And if the marks is less than 70, then grade D. So marks equal to int input, enter your marks. If marks greater than equal to 90, then grade equal to A. If marks greater than equal to 80 and marks less than equal to 90, then grade B. If marks greater than equal to 70 and marks less than 80, then grade C. Else, if the marks is less than 70, then grade equal to D. Print your grade is grade. So let's run this program. Marks is 78, then you grade it C. Because greater than 70 but less than 80, it will grade C. So this is the program of grading system. Now we solve this question. We have to print a number is multiple of 5 or not. Suppose the number is 25. If num equal num modulo 5 equal to 0, means if the number is multiple by 5, then it will give remainder 0. If we will give remainder 0, then it will be multiple of 5 or not. Print multiple of 5 is not multiple of 5. I run this code, then we will give multiple of 5 because 5 into 5 is 25. So 25 is multiple of 5. Or if I give 27, then it will give not multiple of 5. 27 is not multiple of 5. Now we solve this question. We have to print the greatest of 3 numbers entered by the user. We take 3 input numbers from the user. Number one is int input, enter first number, enter first number, second, third, and we will write that which number is greatest of these three numbers. If n1 greater than equal to n2 and n1 greater than equal to n3. If n1 is greater than equal to n2 and n3, then it will print n1 is first number 1 is greatest. If n2 greater than equal to n1 and n2 greater than equal to n3, print number 2 is greatest. Else print number 3 is greatest. So you can run this program. 1 second. First number 7, second number 6, third number 5, number 1 is greatest. So this is the program of web to print the greatest of three numbers entered by the user.